What if I told you your liver holds the secret key to reversing a stubborn belly fat, stabilizing your energy, and regaining control of your hormones? And it all starts with insulin. Most people think insulin is just a sugar hormone, but in reality, it's the gatekeeper of your metabolism, the goddess that decides whether your body burns fat or stores it. If your liver isn't listening to her properly, you're stuck in a metabolic chaos. But the good news, you can reset it faster than you think. Insulin resistance doesn't just raise blood sugar, it slowly clogs your liver, floods your bloodstream with fat, and disrupts almost every other hormone you have. Your liver is the first organ to respond to insulin, and when it becomes resistant, everything downstream, from fat storage to detoxification, begins to break down. Today, we explore 5 powerful insulin goddess tricks, evidence-based hacks that can reawaken your liver's sensitivity to insulin, helps flush out fat, and restore your body's natural balance. Skipping breakfast may sound like a great way to burn fat, but when done wrong, it can backfire. After a long night's fast, your liver releases stored glucose to keep your brain running. If you skip food too long, cortisol rises, pushing even more sugar into the blood. This constant stress can worsen insulin resistance. Start your day with a protein-rich meal, like eggs, cake yogurt, or chia pudding. With an hour of waking, protein blends the cortisol spikes, stabilizes glucose, and signals your liver that energy is coming, so it doesn't lead to dump extra sugar. This signal shift can lower morning insulin levels by up to 25% in just 2 weeks. Your liver loves bitter food. Bitter compounds from arugula, dandelion greens, and coffee stimulate bile flow, the body's natural fat emulsifier. Bile doesn't just digest fats. It also clears out excess cholesterol and toxins that contribute to fatty liver. One study found that participants who consume bitter plant extracts improved liver enzyme levels and insulin sensitivity in only 4 weeks. Try adding a half of a cup of a leafy bitter for lunch or dinner. The small ritual that makes your insulin the goddess sing. You've heard that walking is good for digestion, but here's why it's crucial for your liver healing. When you walk within 15 to 30 minutes after eating, your muscles pulls glucose directly from your bloodstream, reducing the load on insulin and your liver. Even a 10-minute walk can cut post-meal glucose by up to 22%. This movement activates AMPK, your body's energy sensor, which tells the liver to stop producing fat and start burning it. So instead of crashing on the couch after a meal, give your liver a gentle walk to freedom. Magnesium is one of the most overlooked minerals when it comes to liver and insulin health. It helps your insulin receptors that work properly and improves glucose transport into cells. The deficiency, on the other hand, makes your cells deaf to insulin, forcing your pancreas to overproduce it, leading to more liver fat over time. Add magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, spinach, or avocados, or consider magnesium glycinate supplement after dinner. Within a month, many people notice better sleep, fewer sugar cravings, and a more stable energy. Clear signs your insulin response is improving. Your liver runs on a biological clock. Late night eating confuses, keeping insulin elevated when your body is supposed to rest and detoxify. Research shows that insulin sensitivity is the highest in the morning and the lowest at night. When you eat late, calories are more likely to be stored as fat, and the liver struggles to process triglycerides efficiently. The facts: try to finish dinner at least 3 hours before bed and eat within a 10-hour window during daylight hours. This circadian feeding rhythm improves liver fat metabolism, boosts mitochondrial activity, and enhances overall insulin signaling. If you're learning something new today, hit the like button and subscribe for more science-backed health content. Your support helps us reach more people who are ready to take charge of their health, naturally and intelligently. Focus on the low glycemic whole foods, cut refined sugars, white bread, and processed snacks. Choose fiber-rich vegetables, legumes, and low sugar fruits. This reduces liver fat and improves insulin sensitivity in as little as 8 weeks. Fiber slows glucose absorption, giving your insulin system time to respond calmly, not in a panic. Add omega-3 fats. Omega-3s from salmon, flaxseed, or algae oil can reduce liver inflammation and improve insulin receptor function. They also help regulate triglycerides from the liver and restore normal enzyme levels. Use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which improves insulin sensitivity and lowers blood glucose spikes after meal. Try 1 tablespoon diluted in a glass of water before your main meal. It's simple and surprisingly effective. Prioritize quality sleep. Poor sleep disrupts circadian insulin regulation, leading to higher morning glucose. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of a quality rest in a dark, cool room to give your liver time to detoxify and repair. Manage stress intentionally. Chronic stress keeps cortisol high, forcing your liver to release more glucose and worsening insulin resistance. Healing your liver isn't about restriction, it's about rhythm, nourishment, and respect for your body's natural intelligence. When you align your eating, sleeping, and movement patterns with your insulin goddess, your liver responds quickly, with energy, clarity, and fat loss as the reward.